I really got so nostalgic making this recipe. I have grown up eating this mango recipe, but this is my first time ever trying it by myself. This is basically a sweet and sour mango pickle. We used to call it as galka, but it is also known by the name of longi or methamba in Maharashtra or simply mango chutney. Let's see how to make it. I've taken 500 grams or around 1 pound of raw mango. You can grab raw mango from any Indian store or even online. Wash it properly, then peel it off and chop it into pieces. You don't need to be specific about any particular shape, just chop it roughly however you want. Discard the pit of the mango, then heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add half teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now we'll be adding 5 seed spices. So add half teaspoon each of cumin seeds or jeera, fennel seeds or saunf. Saute a bit so that they don't burn. Then half teaspoon mustard seeds or rye or sarson, whatever you call it. Then add 1/4 teaspoon each of nigella seeds or kalonji and fenugreek seeds or methi. Just be careful with nigella and fenugreek seeds as they have a slight bitterness in them. So if you want, you can absolutely skip these two seeds. Now add in all the chopped mango pieces and saute for a few minutes. Mix everything properly. Then add a little bit of turmeric powder, like around 1/3 teaspoon, and half teaspoon red chili powder. Then add around half teaspoon salt or as per your taste and give everything a good mix. Saute for around 5 minutes and then add 1 glass of water. You can also add 1.5 or even 2 glasses of water. So basically your mangoes should be completely immersed in water. Then cover the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes or until the mangoes become soft. Then after 10 minutes when you'll open the lid, you'll see that mangoes are properly cooked. See how nicely they have become soft. So the mangoes are all done. Now at this stage, I am going to add 1 cup of jaggery. You can also take jaggery powder. I have used jaggery, but if you want, you can also go for sugar, not a problem. So here I have added all the jaggery. Now mix and stir it properly and let it melt completely. I will add some water in this here because this galka or longi recipe thickens very quickly. So please add some water, else once it cools down, it will become even more thick. So just be careful. Alright, now add 1 teaspoon black salt or kala namak, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder for color, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything and let it boil for hardly 2 more minutes and that's it. Our yummy mango chutney is absolutely ready. Here, you can check and adjust the seasoning as per you. You can store it in a fridge for more than a month and enjoy with roti, paratha, puri, some steamed rice or just like a chutney by the side. So do try it out and trust me, you will also be a fan of this super flavorful recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight. This is Soumya signing off. Bye-bye.